Check. Alrighty, we're rolling. We're rolling, baby. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sean. Oh, I dipped the camera down, man. I dipped the camera. Check one. Check, check, check. We're recording. That's good. Let me get this. You guys are looking good. I got to make sure I'm looking good. Alrighty. What's up, guys? It's Sean or Mustang09 bringing you a new video, and today we have my boy here, the B17, the 2017 F250, leveled on 35s. I absolutely love this truck. One thing that I'm not a big fan of are stickers, and especially this sticker right here. So I washed my truck yesterday evening. It's looking nice and clean and shiny. So it's a perfect opportunity to go ahead and remove this sticker. What you're gonna need to remove a decal, you need a blow dryer or a heat gun. I prefer a blow dryer because they don't get as hot as a heat gun. So it's easier to, I don't know, maintain the level of heat that you're putting onto the paint of your car. So that, microfiber towel, and some sort of quick detailer to wipe away and make sure everything looks spotless when you're done. Now, I will need both hands for this task, so I'm gonna throw a GoPro on my chest and we'll go from there. All right, I should have you guys on my chest now. I'm gonna have this GoPro set up for like a time lapse, but this one will be when we're talking and really working with our hands. So we have my wife's blow dryer right here. And the reason, like I said, I like this is because these don't put off too much heat that I think you can't really damage your car with. Obviously, if you hold it on one spot forever, you could probably do some damage, but as opposed to a heat gun, these just don't get as hot. So the big thing to remember while doing this is to continue to move. Don't hold it in one spot and sit there and just let it bake on one area. You want to make sure you have even heat dispersion as you're going to pull the sticker back and start removing it. You don't want to go on this spot and leave this spot cold, because then the adhesive material on the sticker will stay to the truck, and you don't want that. So we're trying to get the adhesive off with the sticker, not leave any behind. So turn our blow dryer on one of these ways. How does this thing work? Did it come unplugged? Do I need to hit this? There you have it. So as you can tell, we kind of have an outline of where that sticker was at. It's just real faint right there on the edge of the sticker. So what we have is we have a clay bar from Chemical Guys, and we have their clay lube. We're gonna make sure that this is as lubricated as can be. It's gonna be extremely wet. We'll be liberal with it, like this. We're gonna lube our clay bar up, and then we're gonna lightly go across the whole area with the clay bar, and you'll hear some grainy noise. And that's the adhesive and obviously any contaminants that are in your paint. So what you'll want to do is let's clean the area really good with the clay bar. Then I've seen guys use like a magic eraser before, and obviously some of these guys have those rubber wheels that they put on their drill and peel it off that way. We're just going to go with the clay bar method and the microfiber towel. Alrighty, boys, so we moved to the other side of the truck now. We are working on this one over here. As you can tell, I've got my clay bar lubed up, truck is lubed up, and we are removing the adhesive. You can hear it rubbing, and if we just move slowly, not using a whole lot of pressure, keeping it lubed, it is working. We are removing the adhesive. You can tell you don't hear the scratchiness anymore. We move down the truck, the adhesive is going away, getting that top line. There's a little more down here, more of the clay luber. And then, again, guys, I'm not putting a lot of pressure onto the truck itself. Alrighty, so now take our quick detail spray, spray it down, be liberal with it, don't go shy. We got the quick detailer sprayed on the truck. Just gonna wipe it down now. This will reveal the spots we have left. Bam! Oh, it's so bright for you guys. It's hard to make it less bright. Look at this. There we go. Check it out. It's like a mirror finish. What's up, boys? How are you doing? Alrighty, okay. They're a little bit better on the lighting there. So guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Real simple process. Use your wife's blow dryer, your girlfriend's blow dryer, or a heat gun on a very low setting. Heat up that sticker. Really work one little corner, pushing up on it. Don't try and pick at it too much. And then as you get it rolling, keep the heat on the front of the sticker and pull away. As you're pulling away, keep the heat moving down the sticker, and then the sticker will come off. Once you have the sticker removed, you then want to use your clay luber from Chemical Guys, and this is their heavy duty clay bar, and keep it very wet, very moist all over the truck and the clay bar, and just work it super soft, not putting a lot of pressure, and let the clay bar do the work. Once you're done, quick detail spray, a nice good wipe, and you're good to go. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. I know it was a short one, but I think it's a good tip and a good advice for you guys trying to remove the FX4 sticker on your F250. Thanks for watching. It's been Sean or Mustang 09. Take it easy, boys. Catch you next time. Peace.